Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in your Toyota Prius. First, gather all necessary tools, including a drain pan, a new oil filter, and around 4.5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. For safety, always use jack stands when working underneath your car. Once safely under the car, locate the oil pan and place your drain pan beneath it. Using a 14mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the old engine oil to completely drain, which usually takes about 5 minutes. After draining, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it to around 27 to 30 foot-pounds of torque. Next, locate the oil filter housing, often requiring a special oil filter wrench for removal. Carefully unscrew the housing and remove the old filter cartridge and O-rings. Clean the housing thoroughly. Install a new filter cartridge and new O-rings, making sure to lubricate the O-rings with a small amount of fresh engine oil before installation. Tighten the housing securely. Now open the hood and remove the oil filler cap. Using a funnel, carefully pour in approximately 4.5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic engine oil. Replace the cap, then start the engine for about 30 seconds. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level with the dipstick. Ensure the level is between the minimum and maximum marks and check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.